Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the 7th generation model and charging to at least 50% so updates won't fail. Once done, back up your data to iCloud or a computer. This protects you if anything goes wrong. Make sure you have 10-15 GB free for the update and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Finally, sign into the Apple ID you use for App Store purchases so the device can verify eligibility. These steps prevent interruptions and speed up the next stages. You next download the correct Ipados installer. If Ipados 26 is in beta and your device is eligible, enroll in Apple's beta profile, otherwise use the latest supported public release. Once the profile is installed, go to Settings right arrow General right arrow Software Update and follow prompts to download and install. If the device won't update over the air, connect to a Mac or PC, open Finder or iTunes, and choose Restore or Update manually. You finish by completing the on-screen setup and restoring your backup so apps and data return. Make sure permissions and accounts are reauthorized. Once the system is live, update apps from the App Store and verify settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and keyboard preferences. If the update stalls or the iPad won't boot, enter recovery mode or DFU and use Finder or iTunes to restore. This erases the device, so only use it after backup. If problems persist, contact Apple support for hardware checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.